Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and I'm here with my special helper. What's her name?
Elena.
That's right, Elena. And she is gonna help me open these two new kits. So we got the problem solver and the helper. But guess what, guys? Look what we have here.
Yeah, we have a collection of Lovevery.
Collection of Lovevery, exactly. We have most of their collection. This starts from 0 years old until 5 years old. Okay, the first
And
year.
look how many. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. Then we have 13, 14. And we have some more actually that you don't see here. But there are a total of 22 collections. And we are actually missing 3 collections. But we are going to get those 3. But one of them is like from 0 to 12 weeks. And that one, you know, not going to really use much at that age. But we might get it as well. So we'll keep you posted.
Oh my God, this is sticky.
Yes, let's open this one first. So this is the problem solver. This is for 43 weeks, 44 weeks, sorry, 43 weeks, 43 months, 44 months, and 45 months. So from 2 years old until 5 years old, after 1, they're 3 months. Toys to play with for 3 months. And then you should graduate for the next one. Anyways, let's open it.
Yep, who's open?
Less talking and more action, right, Lena?
Yeah.
Huh? All right, here we go. Whoa! Designed by experts for your child's development brain. What? No way! You have a measuring tape? Look at that. That's so cool. Now, I have no idea what's in here, guys, so bear with me. So here we have a liquid color lab. Okay. It looks like some sticks here. Wow, measuring tape. Here we got the booklet, just like the other booklets that you see here that shows you what to do. You have a book, Uncle Rob's Pizza Party. Wow.
Look at this.
We have some type of reusable bamboo towels. Wow, interesting. Okay.
Snuggle, snuggle for Lydia.
We have a wooden puzzle. We have a turtle hatch game. Oh, and look at this. What's in this nice bag? What do you think, Lena?
Candy.
Candy? Ooh, look, they're all different pieces, I guess, for the game. Look, you have like a penguin, for example. Oh, you have a squirrel.
Flowers.
And there's so many in there. Look, Alina. So that's going to be fun. And this actually shows you what's inside, too. You see? There's a game here, a wooden, everything high quality. And those are supposed to go in here. You see? All right, guys. Actually, Elena decided she wanted to open the color mixer and from the problem solver kit. We still haven't opened the helper yet, but let's see this kit. You see here, it's kind of like a scientific experiment that you do here. You have these. As you see, they have different colors. They have the primary colors. So they have the yellow, the blue, and the red. So we're gonna take one of each. So Elena, take the tweezer there. You're gonna grab one of those red ones, okay? And you're gonna put it in here, okay? Now, I want you to grab one of these. Okay, fill it up with water. Yeah. Perfect, and I'll put it inside here. Look, guys. We need a little more water. Okay, that might be a little, actually we might need to just do a little more, like halfway. Oh, that's good. All right, so now we're gonna grab the tweezer.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
And we're gonna do blue. Okay, look guys, we're gonna put the blue one here. I'll put some water in here, Elena. 1 second. Okay, halfway. And then we're gonna do the yellow, Elena. So the yellow is here.
Mommy. That.
You wanna do it? Okay, Elena,
You
pour
always.
pour it in there. Pour it in there. Slowly. A little more. A little more. Yeah, that's perfect. All right. Now, in order to make the other colors like green, orange, and purple, we're gonna mix. Okay? So now you use this, and how we're gonna mix. So what do you want to make? Which color do you want to make first? Purple. How do you make purple? What do you think? What two colors do we need? Blue and
Red.
yes, that's how you make purple, right? So what we're gonna do is, Elena, I want you to take a little bit of the red. Okay, that's right. Now pour it in here. Now I want you to take a little bit of the blue and pour it in here. And now look, guys. It's
Purple.
purple. Well, we probably need a little bit more. Let's try to get a little bit more red. A little bit more. Yep, that's good.
Oh no.
What do you guys think? Still not purple?
Blue.
So let's add a little more blue. Might be a little bit dark. We might need to add a little water to it. What do you think? Yeah, I would say it's purple. All right, now we want to do green.
Oh no.
Lydia, want to join us? Come here.
No,
Come, you can join us. It's okay. You're going to do everything, Elena. I'm going to hold her. It's okay. Come. Come. She wants to be part of the experiment. Come here. Look. Oh my God.
And what else?
Well, now, what color do you want to make? Green? How do you make green? What two colors you combined to make green?
Yellow and blue.
Okay. So I want you to mix. Take a little bit of the blue. Put it in here. I would take more, Elena. I would squeeze it more like this first and let go. Perfect. Look at that. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing. Okay. Now this one, since we used it already, we don't want to mix it with the blue, right? So let's take this one. All right, Elena, let's do it together. I want you to squeeze the whole thing. The whole thing. Yep. Squeeze it and then let go. Perfect. Now put it right there, this one. All right, let's take a look. What do you guys think? That's green. Hold on. And let me just show you guys. I can make it a little bit lighter green if you guys prefer. Look at that. A lighter green. Okay, and last one is orange. What do we need to do to mix for orange?
I think purple and pink.
Purple and pink. Purple, there's no pink, Elena. So what do you need to make orange?
Pink.
What does it look similar to? What would you say? It's closer to yellow a little bit?
Yellow
A little
and
bit red, maybe? Red and yellow? What do you think that would make orange?
yeah.
Yes! Go ahead, Elena. Take.
We don't want to mix.
No, this is yellow, so you already have yellow. Make it. Perfect.
Now I want to do it by myself.
And then take a little bit of the red. It's okay. You can mix, because this is the last one we're going to do.
We don't have it.
Oh, you don't have red? I thought this is red.
Oh,
Not red?
yeah. It is.
Take a little bit more. All right, let's see. Okay, orange. Let me add maybe a little bit of water to it. Maybe a little bit more red, because this one we put a little bit too much water already. Look, guys, it's orange.
Is it?
There you
It
go.
looks like red.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching.
But
Yes.
the thing.
Oh, yes. We want to show you the booklet. Look. Look how they made it. By the way.
I did my experiment and we are going to do it again after we unbox this next Lovevery.
What is it called? It's the helper. There we go.
No, the finder.
The helper. Okay, ready? Ooh. Show them
We
this.
got the. Do we got this, Mommy? It's look.
Wow, look at this, guys. Oh my God,
What is
high
this?
quality. Let's
What?
see. There's a zipper. Open it. What? They give you paper and what is it? Oh, colors for you to draw on the paper. So fancy.
It looks like lipstick,
It looks like lipstick.
but it isn't. That's
It looks
so
like
fancy.
that's right. All right, let's put this back. All right, what else do you have, Elena? What else do you have there? Oh, wow.
Hey, look, guys, we don't have this. We have the flowers, but we don't have this holder.
Oh, look at this. Puzzle. Little
Where's
puzzle. And there's another side as well.
Guys, what's
Yes.
this?
Oh, there's something big in here, Elena.
It's the kitchen thing.
Oh, it's the kitchen. Ooh. This, I think Elena's gonna really love for what she likes about the mixing of the colors. I think she has something here that will complement that. It's a full kitchen, guys. Oh my God, it's a kitchen sink.
Can we do it next to the thing?
Yeah, you want to go here? Okay. She's super excited to show you this because she's been working on that.
This is called.
Wow. This might have real soap here, guys. I don't know. It has some batteries, some water. Oh, some real water? No way.
Yep.
No way. Plates for your kitchen sink. Another plate.
Wanted it, and you actually bought it for me. But it was expensive.
Oh.
You said it was expensive, but you just bought it for me.
Check this out, guys. So you see here, you fill it up with water here. Look. And it tells you where to fill it up to. Right? And guess what? This goes in here, Elena, like this. And then you should be able to get water right here. Real water. That is so cool. We're going to set it up and you're going to see, okay? All right, check this out, guys. Let's wash your hands. And you want to know something crazy? Look, guys, this is going to keep going forever. Look. Forever.
Because we put water.
You put water, yep.
And
And
there's
it circles.
batteries.
You can wash the dishes. And we can use it for the experiment. Whenever we need more water.
I need it.
Elena, can I have a little more water, please? Just a little bit more. That's good. Thank you.
Can I drink some water?
Good. Woo! Woohoo! Let's wash our hands. We put filtered water, guys. And we wash this, we clean this.
Can we wash our hands, Mommy? Apple drink.
I wouldn't drink from it, but we would have to wash this as well. Maybe it could become drinking water because we haven't washed this part yet. Okay.
You can wash it?
Yeah, you could we could wash this.
How about this?
Mommy washed the yeah, you can wash everything. This comes out.
Well, wait, you can't wash.
You see?
Well, you can't wash. What?
You can wash everything except the batteries. Where the battery part is here, there's a battery. And this comes off, and you can wash everything except where the battery makes it the motor, so that it pulls the water out from the bottom, and it comes in there, and then it circulates.
I can't.
So cool, right? You have your own kitchen sink. You know? So cool. And yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I think we haven't really showed you this. This has everything else. You open some of them. I think the books here.
I have to clean
I haven't
my
done it.
dishes.
If you have any questions, comments, concern, right, Elena? What do you tell them?
Comments, concerns, we will comment in when you respond. Thank you for watching.
Goodbye.